Welcome to mobile banking from Jefferson Bank, here to help you move, manage, and maximize your money. Manage your accounts, make payments, send money to friends, create a budget, make deposits, and more. Here are just a few of the many easy-to-use features. Touch App Shortcut. Once you've downloaded the Jefferson Bank app, simply hold down the app button on your home screen. From there, you can choose to transfer money, send money to a friend, deposit a check, or send a bill payment. Once authenticated, you'll be taken directly to that section of the app. Quick Balance. With the mobile app's feature Quick Balance, you can view your recent transactions and current balance by dragging down on the icon located on the login page. Rename and rearrange your accounts. Once logged in, you'll find all of your accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and investments. To easily customize and edit the arrangement of your accounts, select the stacked dots icon on the right side of your summary page. Here, you can change account nicknames and move your accounts in order of importance. Profile Picture. As an enhanced security feature and to ensure you are logging in to the correct account, you may add your profile picture. Simply select the profile icon in the top right-hand corner to get started. Transfer Funds. Select Transfers from the menu in the left corner to transfer money to and from accounts. Choose the From account, the To account, the amount, and the date to transfer the money. You can even set up a recurring transfer or add an external account from another bank here. Deposit a check. With Mobile Check Deposit, you can deposit checks on the go. Select Make Deposit from the menu in the left corner for quick access to funds. Ensure the check has been properly endorsed and that it is flat on a dark, well-lit surface. Then, snap pictures of both the front and back of the check, keeping it in the correct parameters. Don't forget to endorse and write "For mobile deposit only" on the back. Create alerts. Stay in the know on your accounts and cards with alerts. Select Manage Alerts from the menu in the left corner to add or manage your alerts. Monitor your balances with current balance alerts, balance threshold alerts, overdrawn account alerts, and more. Keep an eye on your transactions with deposit alerts, item returned alerts, withdrawal alerts, and more. Never miss a loan payment by setting an alert to notify you of an upcoming payment or confirm when a payment is made. In addition, let us know when you're traveling or heading out of town so we know to expect transactions outside of your normal usage. With easier access to the features you love, make the most of your finances and check out the Jefferson Bank mobile banking app today. Don't have the Jefferson Bank app? Download it by searching Jefferson Bank in your App Store.